Rooftop seated stretch routine. Starting with your butterfly stretch. So bring your bottom down onto your mat. Your feet are pressed together, the bottoms of your feet. Hands are wrapped around your ankles and press your chest forward. Lengthen the spine. Open your chest and you're pressing your elbows to the inside of your knee, just folding the body on over and relaxing here in this position. So really continue to press your elbows into your knees. Press, press, press. Big deep breaths. Good. 10 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Extending one leg to the side for your single leg side reach. One knee is bent, one leg is straight. And reaching up and over, reach past your toes. Go, reach, reach, reach. Your chest is open. Good. And the theme is to reach. So you're continuing to reach past your toes, feeling the beautiful stretch to the side of the body, extending the underneath arm for a deeper stretch as well. The aim is to get your shoulder down onto the ground. Can you do it? 3, 2, 1. Bring the body on up. Glute stretch with spinal twist. So the leg that was straight, bring it across on top of the other leg. The aim is to get both butt cheeks down onto the mat here, and let's go. You're twisting away from the middle of the body. I like to think of the spine as like a corkscrew, constantly twisting and turning. Looking back behind you and reaching the crown of the head up to the sky. Nice long spine. And deep breaths here. 2, 1. Good work. Single leg side reach on the other side. Let's go. Extend the other leg out. Let's go reaching up and over, reaching past your toes. And the hand that's on the ground, you're going to reach, 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 reach. Keep crawling and working your fingertips away from the body. Beautiful. Big deep breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Reach to bring your body on up. Glute stretched with spinal twist. So that same leg that's long, bend it across the body. Both butt cheeks are onto the mat. And let's go. You're twisting away from the midline of the body. Looking over your back shoulder. Keep looking past it. Your spine is long and strong, reaching the crown of your head up to the ceiling or up to the sky because we're outside enjoying the fresh air. 5 seconds to go. Beautiful. Straddle side reach. So both legs are out nice and wide now. So bring your toes to the side of the mat. And reaching up and over. Good. Reach past your toes. The underneath arm is reaching in the opposite direction. So you're pulling your arms in the opposite direction here and holding it there. Keeping both butt cheeks planted onto the mat as well. Working deeper into the stretch. The longer you hold it. Beautiful. The other side. Let's go. Straddle side reach on the other side. Reaching up and over. Reaching past your toes. And again, your arms are pulling you in the opposite direction here. Good. Are both butt cheeks on the mat? Press them on down. Good. Bringing your underneath shoulder in front of your leg. Nice deep side stretch. Beautiful. And you've got your straddle spinal twist. So you're staying in the same position, your straddle position. You're twisting the body, 2 pulses in one direction and 2 pulses in the other. Good. Pulling the elbow back behind you. Pull, pulse, return. Pull, pulse, return. Keep going. Long, strong, straight spine. Good work. One more. This is your straddle forward reach. This is lovely. Lovely for your inner thighs, lovely for your hips. Here we go. Fold the body as far forward as you can and then continue to reach further forward. Reach, reach, reach. You're working through the spine here. So round the spine, bring it into flexion, then lengthen the spine. Nice. Pressing your chest down onto the ground and then pressing the backs of your arms, the backs of your shoulders up to the ceiling, rounding the spine and reaching forward. Beautiful work. Seated single leg hamstring stretch. So you've got one leg straight again, one knee is bent, but one leg is forward this time. Place the foot up onto your inner thigh, fold the body on half, fold it on down. Reaching past your foot, or if you've got your foot, pull your toes up. That's it, towards your shin. It's nice to get a deeper stretch to the back of the leg. Pointing and flexing just to add a different little bit of spice, bit of light and shade to your stretch. One more. Other side, switch legs. Here we go, reaching up and over. Pointing and flexing that foot. And do whatever feels good for you here. If you prefer to hold the toes back towards your shins, that's nice as well. Towards your shin, you've only got one. Get a deeper stretch to the back of the leg and then point your toes to feel a nice stretch to the front of your foot. Good. One more. Seated double leg hamstring stretch. So bring both legs in front of you now. Reaching up to the ceiling and fold the body up and over, reaching past your toes. And then you can either grab hold of your heels or you continue reaching forward, whatever you prefer. Pointing and flexing those feet. I always find that the flex position is oh so tasty through the backs of those legs. A little bit of a nerve stretch too. Good. Rolling the body on up. Nice work.